What beta? Okay, we have completed till question number 29 of this NCRT exemplar of exercise 2.3. So that we'll start with question number 30 today. Um, let's see the question. Is it visible to everyone? This question number 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Question number,
Yes, sir.
question number 30. If a plus b plus c is 9, if a plus b plus c is 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26, then you have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, this is one of the good question. In this one, we have to find a square plus b square plus c square, but we don't have any formula of finding this a square plus b square plus c square. But we have a formula. Which formula? We have a formula. We know that this WKT means we know that a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Just a minute. A plus b plus c whole square, right now we have a formula of a plus b plus c whole square, and that is equals to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Correct? This formula is clear to everyone? Yes, this formula is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This right hand side can also be written as c, a square plus b square plus c square. And see, if you observe these three terms, 2 is common, right now. If you take it out, these two, it will be 2 in the bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Correct? And in the left hand side it is a plus b plus c whole square. Hope it is clear. Now substitute the values. We have the value of a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is nothing but it is 9. Therefore it is 9 square, and a square plus b square plus c square as it is, and 2 as it is. Inside there will be the value of ab plus bc plus ca, and that is 26. Correct? Now hope it is clear to everyone. We are supposed to find the value of this one. That means we have to keep this a square plus b square plus c square at one side, and we have to take this 2 into 26 to the other side. So it can be written as a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 9 9 ja 81 minus 26 2 ja 52. Correct na? Therefore, this a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. 81 minus 52 is how much? 11 minus 2 is 9. And here it is 7 minus 5. 29. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Students, is it clear? Okay. Okay, now I'm moving to the next question. See, question number 31 and 32 is homework. Next. Next is just a minute.
सर मेरे फोन में रिकॉर्डिंग
34. No, 33. Question number 33 now. Question number 33. In that first one, you have given what? X by 2 plus 2y in first bracket, and in the another bracket it is x square by 4 minus xy plus 4y square. If you remember, the identity which we have proved in last exercise of the NCRT textbook, in that one we have identity, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to what? a plus b, right? And in another bracket it is a square minus ab plus b square. Do you remember this identity जो हमने प्रूव किया था?
Yes.
तो इसमें if you observe this identity, this right hand side, this form is given in this question. The question is in this form. देखो ये जो है इस फॉर्म में है, right? And we have to convert this into this form. Is it clear? That means if you compare this part x by 2 plus 2y with this, it is very clear. The value of a is here x by 2 and the value of b is here 2y. Correct? इसको हम ले लेते हैं कि this is the first one and this is the second one. From first and second, therefore from first and second we can have, from first and second we have what? A is equals to x by 2 and b is equals to 2y. Therefore we can write x by 2 plus 2y in the second bracket x square by 4 minus xy plus 4y square will be equals to what? A cube plus b cube, where a is x by 2 whole cube plus b is 2y whole cube. Therefore the answer is x by 2 whole cube plus 2y whole cube. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can solve the second one. Okay, second one is homework. Question number now 34. Question number 34 in that second one. We are going to use either a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube, right? In the second one, it is given that a cube minus 2 root 2 b cube. So this can be written as a cube as it is, and this 2 root 2 b cube is can be written as root 2 b total whole cube. See, if you find the cube of root 2, that means root 2 into root 2 into root 2, right? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, and this root 2 as it is, correct? That means the cube of root 2 is 2 root 2. Is it clear? Therefore we have written this 2 root 2 b cube as root 2 b whole cube. Now as we know that what a cube minus b cube is nothing but it is a minus b in one bracket, and in the another bracket it is a square plus ab plus b square. So therefore this a cube minus root 2 b cube can be written as what? A minus b, that means a minus root 2b in one bracket, and in the second bracket it is a square. A square means what here? A square only. And ab क्या हो जाएगा? Root 2 ab, right ना? A is a and b is root 2b. Therefore if you multiply this a and root 2b, you will get root 2 ab plus b square. B square means root 2b whole square. That means root 2 into root 2 is 2, and b whole square means b square. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Now move to the question number 38. 38. Without finding the cube, find the value of this one. This statement 38 number. In 38, you have given x minus 2y whole cube plus 2y minus 3z whole cube plus 3z minus x whole cube. Correct. So here x minus 2y plus 2y minus 3z plus 3z minus x is equals to what? 0 na? This x is cancelled by this x, this 2y is cancelled by this 2y, and this 3z is cancelled by this 3z. Therefore we have a formula. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube Just a minute. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but it is 3abc. Therefore, this x minus 2y whole cube plus 2y minus 3z whole cube plus 3z minus x whole cube is nothing but it is 3 into x minus 2y, 2y minus 3z into 3z minus x. This is the answer. Don't multiply it. That's it. If you want to multiply, you can multiply, but write as it is. Clear? Okay, now move to the question number 39. 39, first one. 39, you have given x plus y is equals to -4. ये आपको दिया है. Here, x plus y is equals to -4 is given, and you have to prove that x cube plus y cube minus 12xy is equals to 64. It is very clear. If we are cubing on both sides, then we will get this statement. On cubing both sides, we have x plus y whole cube is equals to -4 whole cube. What is the formula of x plus y whole cube? It is x cube plus y cube, right, plus 3xy in the bracket x plus y, right, is equals to what? 4 4 the 16, 4 the 64 in minus. This statement is clear to everyone, or any confusion is there in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, x cube plus y cube as it is, plus 3xy as it is, but x plus y is given as -4. We can write here -4 is equals to -64. Now, if you simplify this one, you will get x cube plus y cube minus 4 3s are 12xy is equals to -64. Now, if you take this -64 to this side, it will be x cube plus y cube minus 2xy, 2 nahi hai, 12 hai, sorry, and this plus 64 is equals to, sorry, 1 minute, plus 64 is equals to how much? 0. Therefore, the value of this x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 is nothing but it is 0. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now move to the question number 39 second. 39 second. Again, it is similar of 39 first. You have given x is equals to 2y minus 6. Sorry, plus 6, not minus 6. It is quite similar to this one. इसमें x y एक साइड में थे, इसमें y इधर रख दिया. कोई बात नहीं, इधर दे दिया तो इसको पकड़ के इधर लाते हैं हम. It will be x minus 2y is equals to 6. Now again cubing on both sides. Cube करोगे, you will get the answer. X minus 2y whole cube is equals to 6 whole cube. Now x minus 2y whole cube is nothing but it is x cube minus 2y whole cube is nothing but it is 2 to the 4 to the 8y cube, then minus 3xy, 3 into x into 2y in the bracket, just a minute, 2y in the bracket, it is what? X minus 2y is equals to 6 6 36, 36 6 how much? 216. Yeah. Now this is x cube minus 8y cube, and this is 2 3 6 minus 6xy, and the value of x minus 2y is nothing but it is 6, right? Is equals to 216, and if you further simplify this one, you will get x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy, and if you take this 216 to this side, it will be minus 216 is equals to 0. इसका आंसर भी 0 ही आएगा. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This is the solution of this 39-second one. Please write it. And question number 40 is homework for you. Tomorrow we'll start with exercise number 2.4. 2.4 na? This is 2.3, and tomorrow we'll start with 2.4.